Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset or change your password on Binance. Whether you forgot your password or just want to update it for security, this video has you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Binance website or app and go to the login screen. Enter the email or phone number linked to your Binance account, then click Next. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password below the login fields. Step 3. You'll receive a verification code in your email or SMS. Enter the code to verify your identity. Step 4. Now, enter your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm it, then click Submit. Step 5. You'll be redirected to the login page. Use your new password to access your Binance account. And that's it! You've now successfully reset your Binance password. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides. See you next time!